Steno legal dictation. Start. The magistrate may require from the respondent to execute a bond with or without sureties for preventing the commission of domestic violence. Full stop. Upon the failure on the part of the respondent to make payment in terms of the order under subsection bracket में 1, the magistrate may direct the employer or a debtor of the respondent to directly pay to the aggrieved person or to deposit with the court a portion of the wages or salaries or debt due to or accrued to the credit of the respondent, which amount may be adjusted towards the monetary relief payable by the respondent. Full stop. Para. In addition to other reliefs as may be granted under this act, the magistrate may on an application being made by the aggrieved person pass an order directing the respondent to pay compensation and damages for the injuries including mental torture and emotional distress caused by the acts of domestic violence committed by that respondent. Full stop. Para. The trial court, having noticed the provisions of PWD Act 2005 and the fact that the appellant wife was prevented by the respondent husband to enter the matrimonial house even after the order passed by the subordinate judge, granted protection under section 18 and further direction to the respondent husband under section 19 to allow the appellant wife to enter in the shared household and not to disturb the possession of the appellant wife and to pay maintenance of rupees 2000 per month to meet her medical expenses, food and other expenses. Full stop. However, no compensation or damages was granted in favor of the appellant wife. Full stop. Notices were issued on the respondent, but in spite of service, no affidavit has been filed by the respondent denying the averments made in the petition. Full stop. Section 2 under bracket G of PWD Act 2005 states that domestic violence has the same meaning as assigned to it in section 3 of PWD Act 2005. Full stop. Section 3 is the definition of domestic violence. Full stop. Clause 4 of section 3 relates to economic abuse, which includes prohibition or restriction to continued access to resources or facilities which the aggrieved person is entitled to use or enjoy by virtue of the domestic relationship, including access to the shared household, as evident from clause under bracket C of section 3 under bracket 4. Full stop. In the present case, in view of the fact that even after the order passed by the subordinate judge, the respondent husband has not allowed the appellant wife to reside in the shared household matrimonial house, we hold that there is a continuance of domestic violence committed by the respondent husband. Thank you.